Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Heading for lunchtime. I get 4-hour lunch breaks, 12 o'clock till 4 o'clock, or thereabouts, on the season. So we had a lot of rain overnight. It turned to snow in the morning. You can see down here, yeah, not too much snow, but on the piece there'll be a fair nice covering over the top of the piece, especially higher up. So I'm going to go for a quick ski. This will be my first video with the GoPro 12 Black on the body mount. So judging what angle to have it at and stuff, we'll see. My first video, I did a ski video. I'll put a link in on the top right of the screen now, where I went out on Saturday. This is now Wednesday. And I had a problem with the sound, but I didn't have the outer case on. So with the protection for the microphone, I think it'll probably deal with that little audio issue that I had. So yeah, things are looking good. It's feeling good. And yeah, see how we go. Trial run with the GoPro again, but before I had it up on the head mount. And yeah, let's go. Again, like I explained in that last video, I use my workshop as a store. My ski locker we give to clients that need a bit more space in their lockers. So away and get changed, get the old boots on. Not too sure what the conditions will be like. Probably a bit mushy down below and a bit powdery up top. I'm going to be playing around and just checking stuff out. No need for speed. So today's ski of choice, the Atomic Vantage 83s, a fantastic all-mountain ski. So on we go. Get the snow off the boots. That way the safeties are right. Snow down here is pretty sticky, but up the mountain the cloud's clearing a bit. It looks like it could be nice up the top. I think the top lift's running. So I head up there, but get a bit warm up, get the old legs warmed up and stretched, and I'll head down and I'll take the 6-seater up the PowWow lift. Quick ski view. Okay, not bad. Just as I'm going up the first lift here, the PowWow lift, I can see the push-down lift ahead. There's people on it, so that's open up the top end there. So that's the next stop. So I'm already spotting some places that I can go that are untouched. And yeah, I'm not going for speed. I'm just going to play around, see what the conditions are like. And a little 100-meter ski down to the next lift to catch the push-down lift up. So it's an automatic barrier here, so people get impatient and think it doesn't work, but it does work fine. 3, 2, 1, go. Bonjour. All right, so wait till the red bit's passed and up we go. And you can see the stuff at the sides here is pretty good too. So joy of having the chest mount is I can adjust the camera as I go. I can actually see what it's adjusted to. I can dip it down, give a ski view. As I say, just a little run down here. See what it's like off the sides here. Softish, not bad. Yeah, it's okay. Untouched. Alright. One of the peace patrollers there. Already getting quite cold up here. Some untouched stuff on below here. I'm not doing off-piste, but off the sides of the piste, you can see where someone's done something. I know by the angle, not the angle, but the aspect of it, it's northwestish facing. That'll have a good base underneath it, so it's going to be safe-ish, whatever. But off the sides of the piste isn't a problem, because I can always dive back on if it's not any good. So quite a lot of places that I've spotted, so this could be a fun descent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Zenith restaurant if it's open. I'll have my first red coffee of the season. Few folk around, but they tend to come in bursts and then there's nothing. Now, not too sure if I can swing my body around far enough for this. Unhinge the camera a little bit. Look at that for a view. Awesome. Beautiful. So it looks like it's going to stay clear. I'm only up for about an hour and a half or so. So yeah, the joy of not many people is that you can see what, by their traces, how they've been getting on with the various parts of the mountain. Off-piste, off-side piste, on-piste. So yeah, onward to the Zenith. Of course, yeah, few folk having issues, you could say there, but you can tell by the sounds of their skis and snowboard, and it's sounding pretty good too. Most folk not having too much difficulty with it. They're kind of skiing easy, which means they're having an easy time with it. Conditions look good. I won't be touching anything like this. There's an avalanche risk, as we can see the avalanche cannon there. So no, and I don't know what's underneath it. It's not facing north. I don't want to risk that, but we'll see what happens. Bonjour. Oh, bit of untouched outside the Zenith too. Yeah, I think it's open. Yeah, music aside, some handy icicles up here. Okay, let's get in. Hey, bonjour tout le monde. On est ouvert? Juste un petit vin rouge s'il vous plaît. Vin chaud rouge, just un petit. Parfait, super. First red coffee of the season. Cheers. Have a look at the view in front of me here. Snow and wow. Okay, so I'll wind up at that, and what I'll do in the outtake is I'll do a rundown and I'll take various parts of it. I don't want to do the whole rundown because I'm going to be pretty slow, like I said, and I just want to catch some stuff on the camera on the way out. So that's it. Great to be doing this again, great to be sharing it with you, and until the next video, thanks very much for watching. Cheers. So I've come out of this place and this is the view presented. This is a good off-piste area. Get away from the music. This is a good off-piste area, but not yet. I don't want to do a Michael Schumacher, but this is the view. 2,530 meters altitude. I'll do a quick body turn. Wow. Top end, the very top end, not quite open yet. Okay, let's go and ski. So this is my first time skiing on the body mount, so forgive me if the angle's wrong. I won't be able to write it properly until I've seen things on the edit. So pretty good up here. Snow is lovely. We'll see what it's like off the side here. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Next part is a steep part, but I'll give a quick ski view and we'll see. It is nice. Icy but bumpy, but really nice. That snowboarder there, don't know if I caught him. Having a bit of fun. I'm gonna just check this bit off the side of the piste. It looks pretty good. And yeah, trying to get the angle right. I think
Look at that. So yeah, let's get the sticks absolutely right on the soft stuff. I do the sticks a bit lower normally. Never put the hoops, your hands through the hoops. A bit lower because I'm going to be bending the knees more. Keep the centre of gravity low. So, oh, this is lovely. Absolutely lovely. Whoa, yeah. Wow. Awesome. Woo-hoo. Yeah. A bit crusty here. It can change every 100 meters or so. So yeah, head back to piste. That was brilliant.
I'll do this next bit, the camera turned down just a little bit, and as I say, experimental, and get the gloves back on. And we'll just check out this little bit below me here and see how we go. I think I've got a bit of the tips in the video. We'll see how it looks. Whoa, yeah, lovely. Wow. Oh, just a little bit of it. On the piste, not really been prepared and beginning to mogul up a bit, but the snow's that soft, it's easy. So just take it easy. Get comfortable with my turns. Successive turns. Yeah, it's pretty easy going. Now I'm not going off the side here. It's facing the wrong way, it's not facing north. I don't know what the coverage is. Nice. As you can hear, it's icy. This is one of the lakes that serves the snowmaking equipment. Beautiful colour of turquoise. And the view below, what a view. So nice to just stop and appreciate it. Okay, I'll stop at that today. I have a day off tomorrow. I'll be going out and doing a general coverage as much of the resort as I can tomorrow. Hopefully. Can't make it a promise, but that's the intention. Okay, thanks again for watching. Spotted this on the way up, can't resist it. Wow. Excellent. Icy bit. Right, speed up. Let's get a bit naughty. Spotted this on the way up. It looks pretty good. Whoa. Whoa. It's tough going, very tough going. Whee! Back to piste. And back home.